Hi there. Got a bunch of those cheap reusable bags that you've been given or you paid $1 for at the store and they've already fallen apart? Well, I'm going to show you how to repurpose these promotional travesties into something colorful and useful like a hair scrunchie, necklace, or headpiece. So what you're going to need to make this is a ruler, scissors, 1/8 inch elastic, some reusable bags depending on what colors you want, and these are the soft kind. If you have the shiny coated kind, you're going to want to see our video on how to make placemats or smaller things like hot pads and coasters out of those. Another very handy thing to have is a marker that will also match your scrunchy color. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the edging off of your reusable bag. And you can save this edging to make the necklace or headpiece, or see our video on how to make a cool dog pull toy out of those edges. All right, now that you've got the edging off, you're going to want to make 1 inch by 6 inch pieces out of that square of material. And you'll want to try to figure out the best way to get the most pieces out of a bag so that you don't waste any. Now to make a single color scrunchie, you're going to need 60 of these 1 inch by 6 inch pieces of the same color. If you want to do a 2-color scheme, you're going to need 2 colors of 30, or 3 color scheme would be 3 colors of 20. Do the math. Math is fun. All right. So now that you've got your pieces cut through the magic of TV, you're going to then get your elastic and measure about 12 inches out. And this stuff is all approximate. No big deal. And you mark that. If you can leave it marked and not cut, that's going to save you more elastic and not waste elastic. You're going to start your scrunchie by taking your first piece of the color scheme that you've chosen, and you're going to tie a single knot, and you're going to put that knot, you're going to center it right on that scrunchie and then pull it tight, and then you're going to get the next piece of your color scheme, your next tie, and put that on, and then you're just going to keep going, alternating with your different colors. And when you get all, as you're getting them on the elastic, you want to tie them tight and spin the knots so that they're not all on the same side. And that will also make your little scrunchy ties fan out better. Now, once you have them all on your scrunchie, or on your elastic, you're going to push them all together as tightly as you can, and you're going to tie a square knot. And as you recall, a square knot is going to be right over left, and then left over right, makes a knot that's healthy and tight. Now, if this works for you, it needs to be loose enough that you can loop your hair in it, but tight enough to stay on your head. Then you'll just want to cut those excess elastic pieces. If you don't have any white, you're going to want to color that in with your magic marker. Now, if you want wristlets or anklet, then just make 2 of these. That's how easy that is. And to make the headpiece or necklace, you're going to use that reusable bag edging. I'll grab one here. And you're going to put your ties on the edging. I would start, 6 to 8 inches up so that when you're done with tying all your pieces on, and by the way, you're going to need 100 of these for a headpiece. And when you're done with that, you will have something like this. And let's get our little volunteer here. And you'll want to tie, a loose tie just to check it out. If it fits good and you like it, you can either leave these the length they are so that you could always tie it as tight as you want, or if you want it to just sit on your lovely foam head or yourself, you can do your square knot and tie it permanently, and then cut the excess. So that's how you would do the headpiece. For the necklace, just add some more, or go crazy and add a bunch of them so that you can create yourself a beautiful boa too. And instead of bags at all, people, let's use these Crespi crates. You can find out more about them at Crespi.com. Do it now. Thank you.